Hello students, welcome to Edexcel Maths. Today we are going to be expanding brackets and this is type 5 I guess, where we're going to be talking about expanding brackets where both the brackets are negative, but what's important in here that both the brackets are same, correct? So let's get started. Before we really start, to make really your understanding better and strengthening, you are going to be following some worksheets that are really available to you. Just look at the description box. So you have x in here that multiplies with the entire bracket. We're going to be writing x with the entire bracket. What's the second bracket? X minus 2. That's correct. Then you take the other term minus 2 timesing with the entire bracket minus 2, and the second bracket is x minus 2. Perfect. Now this is like simple single bracket expansion, isn't it? That's single bracket expansion. So x times x is x squared, x times minus 2 is minus 2x, minus 2 times x is minus 2x. What about minus 2 times minus 2? Obviously, we have our tic-tac-toe here. So just plus, 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 and then we are going to be having minus, 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 minus. So what we have minus 2 times minus 2. Two negatives give us the positive answer. So that would be a positive 4. So let's write in here. Now, it's not really solved yet. X squared minus 2x minus 2x, that would be minus 4x plus 4. That's what our final answer is. Let's quickly check using the shortcut. So what we have in here, x minus 2, x minus 2. What do? Write x squared, take both the numbers minus 2 and minus 2 brackets minus 2. This will be minus 4 and that would be a positive 4. So let's write minus 4 with x and positive 4 alone. So yes, we've got the same answer. Hope that makes sense. See you soon in our next video.